REJURAN has a whole complete kit now, and I am really loving everything about these serums. One is the fact that they have a different serum for morning and night. Two, the fact that they're such big bottles. Three, the packaging on this is so luxurious. I mean, just look at these containers. These are glass, not plastic. And this thing, also, it comes with this set. This is the eye cream. And all of these are really high quality. I really love the fact that you can just go ahead and take out the syringe here. Is that what it's called? I don't know if it's called a syringe or something else. And then you can go ahead and lift this up here and then put how much you need on your hands and then rub it into your face. Now each one is formulated for either the morning or night, so use accordingly. It actually says what each one does. Like this one's a rejuvenating skin one for anti-aging, and this one's more of an anti-wrinkle moisturizing solution. Okay, and then this one is for your eyes, okay, for underneath your eyes. I also put it over top my eyes because I notice I'm getting like these little wrinkles and just needs that more moisture around them. But definitely a great quality set that I've been loving myself, and I just love keeping it out too because it's so pretty. Definitely recommend this set.